Have you ever wanted to enjoy the best features of both macOS and Windows in a single device? In this video, I will show you how you can easily run Windows on your Mac using a tool Parallels Desktop. Whether you need Windows for work, gaming, or specific apps, this tool makes the whole process super simple. The best part is that it comes with a 14 days free trial, so you can use it without any worries. Plus, after the trial, if you decide to buy their subscription, so I have provided the link in the description of the Parallels promo code, which will help you to get up to 70% off. So, before getting started, let me tell you shortly what is Parallels Desktop. Parallels Desktop is a fantastic software that lets you run Windows alongside Mac OS without having to restart your computer. Switching between Mac and Windows whenever you want while using all your favorite applications from both. Now, before we start with the setup, let me show you some minimum requirement to run Parallels app. It works with macOS version as new as Sequoia 15.0, including Sonoma, Ventura, and Monterey. It supports Apple Silicon chips or Intel Core processors like i5, i7, and i9. You will need at least 4 GB of RAM, 600 MB for installation, and 16 GB for Windows. Compatible graphics include Apple Silicon, Intel, AMD Radeon, or Nvidia cards. These basics ensure a smooth setup. Getting Parallels Desktop on your Mac is pretty easy. Just visit the official website of parallels.com, or you can also go through the link in the description. Then click on Try Free button. Then enter your verified email ID and simply download it from here. Once you have the file, let's proceed and launch the Parallels app. Then turn on notifications, grant all the permissions, and finish the setup. After that, you will see two options. Download Windows directly from the server's ARM version or use an existing ISO file. If you have an ISO, select Install from image file and let Parallels find it in your downloads. Choose Windows 11 Pro and set the name as Windows 11 and save it to the default location. Click Create and let the installation begin. It will take a while, so sit back, relax, and let the process done. Once the installation finishes, you will reach the Windows home screen. After that, proceed to the next step. Launch the Windows, accept the license agreements, and you will land in Microsoft Edge. Close the app and Parallels is good to go. Your installation is now fully optimized and ready. Alright, now let me show you an example how easy it is to download and install a Windows app on my Mac using Parallels. Right now I am opening Microsoft Edge in the Windows environment that's running on my Mac. I am heading over to the official VLC Player website to grab the installers. Once I am on the site, I will click the download button and let the file save to the Windows downloads folder. Now that the installer is ready, I will open it, follow the simple installation steps, and in no time VLC Player will be up and running on my Mac through Parallels. This process is smooth and works for almost any Windows app you want to install. It's like having a full Windows PC but on your Mac. And that's it. If you found this video valuable, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.